Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's continue this exercise after completing the question answer work. It is second part. Say whether the statements are true or false. Write T or F in the boxes. After each sentence the box is given. You have to write either F or T. The first sentence, Muhammad peace be upon was born after his father's death. It is correct. So yes, you have to write T in this box. The second is Halima was Muhammad's foster mother. It should write. So yes, you have to write T. Third one, Muhammad peace be upon him visited Syria when he was 4 years old. It is wrong, so you have to write here F. The first Christian priest met Muhammad peace be upon him in Makkah. It is wrong, so you have to write F. The Christian priest found all the signs of lost prophet in Muhammad peace be upon him. It is true, so you have to write T here in this box. 6. Abdul Muttalib was Muhammad's uncle. He was not Muhammad's uncle, he was his grandfather, so it is incorrect. You have to write F. Abu Talib did not like Muhammad peace be upon him. It is incorrect, so you have to write F. Amin is the title that Muhammad peace be upon God because of his honesty. Amin means Amanatdar. It is right, so you have to write T in this box. Hira is the name of the house where Muhammad peace be upon saw Jabril alayhi salam for the first time. It is not the name of the house. It is Hira means cave, so it is wrong. So you have to write false, F. 10. Muhammad peace be upon became prophet when he was 33. It is right, so you have to write T. The Quran was revealed to Muhammad peace be upon when he migrated to Medina. It is incorrect, so you have to write F. Muhammad peace be upon him left Makkah of his own. He did not leave Makkah of his own, but he was forced to leave, so it is wrong. You have to write F. The first Islamic government was established in Medina. Right? So you have to write T in this box. Hajj is performed in the first month of the Muslim calendar. It is also correct, so you have to write T. Now the language work. The sentence which is given here, Muhammad peace be upon him was brought up by his uncle. Brought up means to care for, cared for. Its first form is bring up. Bring up means to care for, brought up means cared for. He was cared for by his uncle. अच्छे वनान dear students brought up jet अच्छे वनान phrasal verb. Phrasal verb means go so verb yat side preposition gets use. Which in ki one can sentence which are given below. There are some phrasal verbs which are used. You have to give the meaning of such phrasal verbs. Yat maj one can sentence maj phrasal verb kar use. To is lekan im phrasal verbs has meaning. It can Pitmas phrasal verbish meanings this much brought up. Much first form bring up as a go to care for. If I put thing yet much within time one can just sentence. The underlined expression above is a phrasal verb used in the past. Bring up the present form of brought up. A phrasal verb consists of a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb To bring up means to care for a child until it is an adult. If you break the phrase into two words, the words have different meaning. Which yath maz बनकन sentence दे तो guess करन इमिच meaning क्या underlined phrases in sentence maz. We should cut down our expenses if the shop is to make a profit. वो अगर नफाश कमाउन तेल पन खर्चात ति करन कम. Cut down मतलब गो reduce करन इमिच meaning है reduce. Our school will come out with its progress report soon. Come out means appear. वो तो इमिच meaning लेखें appear. Third one, you should not disrespect your elders, but carry out their elders. Carry out means obey. What means obey? He gave up smoking 3 months back. Gave up means left. He left smoking 3 months back. Gave up means left. It's the second form of give up. Fifth sentence. They promised to support him in his elections, but later on backed out. Back out means withdraw. Backed out means the second form of is withdrew. The plane takes off at 5 a.m. We should be at the airport on 1 hour before, and 1 hour before it is departure time. The plane takes off. Take off is when a depart or leave, so you have to write departs, or either you can write leaves. The plane takes off means leaves, or you can write departs. The second part, grandfather is a compound noun. Compound noun goes to दोन word हुंदा बनियामुत. Grand the father. Make compound words by joining words in A and B. H is zidit A style के word dit B style इम रलावन ये रलाओ कुछ word कत सहित रल इस रलावन सो बन compound word. Under the A, walking, feature, blood, cotton, flower, wild, bed. Under B, pressure, life, stick, film, roll, roam, was. One word, compound word is already made. Walking stick. बनोमुत अथ मज दोयम बनावन फीचर सहित वुचन फीचर सहित लगाओ फीचर फिल्म. Now, blood pressure. बनिया यह compound word. Trim, cotton roll. Flower was. Was is gumbless. That must post thawash. Baniya compound word. Wildlife. Bedroom. Thank you.